I'm sharing one of my sketchbooks, uh, one of the several, and I'm still under lockdown. There's a corona times going on, and this particular sketchbook, also is part of that corona Kal journey. So, Art in Lockdown series, which I started in March 2020, the day when 25th of March, when this lockdown was started. This pandemic is making our life, all of our life, really difficult. I'm going to divide this sketchbook. I've got 50 sheets over here, and I'm going to divide this sketchbook into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So keep watching Art Keeper, the art channel on YouTube. Well, as you can see, these lines, this is graphite and charcoal, and whatever color, whatever monochromatic tones have been given, it's being used. I've used coffee. I'm sharing the secret with all of you. Well, this is all, I'm not following any particular pattern or any particular thinking while doing all these drawings. It's based on what I feel. Like, if I feel good, it, it might get reflected over here. And if I feel a bit depressed, full of anxiety, it will be reflected. I even tried to share the, the working process, the, the way I do things in my studio. I have shared that on my channel also. So nothing is a secret. I'm not keeping any secret from anyone. कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि आप अपने चीज़ों को शेयर नहीं करना चाहते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है. आर्ट आर्ट को मैं मतलब दही भल्ले और गोलगप्पे की तरह ट्रीट नहीं करता हूँ कि डेली बना के डेली सबके लिए परोसा जाए. It's I don't create art for consumption. So it's for myself. I create things for myself basically, and some way or the other it's liked or collected by others. But primarily I do work for myself. तो ये मेरे अपने लिए है. This I have used Conti on paper. इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान बहुत सारे इमोशंस के दौरान आप गुज़रते हैं. अच्छे बुरे, ज़्यादातर बुरे. तो वो सारे असर करते हैं आर्टिस्ट को. और शायद मेरे कामों में भी वही चीज़ें आपको दिखाई देंगी. I'll keep this video short for say 5 or 7 minutes. और इसी कोरोना पैंडमिक के दौरान बहुत सारे हमारे माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स, लेबरर्स जो अलग अलग राज्यों से अलग अलग राज्यों में काम करते थे, वो अपने गांव में, अपने घरों में वापस गए हैं और बहुत बुरी तरह से बुरी हालत में गए हैं. Unfortunately, lot of them died, lot of them suffered painful journeys. They walked for hundreds and thousands of kilometers, and it affected my work. It does, obviously. You can't escape that. उसका असर होता है. अगर आप पे नहीं होता है, इसका मतलब आप इस माहौल और इस दुनिया में हैं ही नहीं. So I'm going to stop it here for the first part. This will be the end, and I'll be back with the second part very soon. So keep watching Art Keeper, my art channel on YouTube. I'm also on Instagram with Showman Art, SOUMENART. I'm on Twitter, and I have my blog, showmanart.blogspot.com.